Hello and welcome to SUPERWISE. In our How to Build an Agent video, we created a Tailor Chat application that allows users to ask questions based on an index Wikipedia page. Now in this video, we'll show you just how easy it's to deploy the agent to production with a click of a button without needing to worry about infrastructures and engineering. This is the SUPERWISE Application Studio. Here we've already configured an LLM model and set the index Wikipedia page as context. To deploy the application, simply click the Save and Publish button. You'll notice the status change from application available to pending. Once it returns to available, the application is fully deployed. After deployment, one way to consume the application is an iframe, which lets you embed the chat wherever you like. With our basic design and additional feature, everything is also accessible via API and SDK for customized implementation. Let's take a look at the iframe. Additionally, you have access to feedback mechanism that can be monitored within the supervised platform. This allows you to provide positive feedback or negative feedback. As mentioned, every action is available through the API, which means you can interact with the application programmatically and build your application experience while still leveraging our deployed agent. This is an example notebook. I am sending this API request to the same Tailor application you saw in our Platform Application Studio, embedded through the iframe and now accessible via the API.